Hello and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. So, as QA professionals, as testers, we often hear this term, traceability matrix. It sounds a bit technical, right? But trust me, it's super important, and once you understand it, it makes your life much, much easier. So, what exactly is a traceability matrix? Imagine it like a connecting bridge. A bridge between your requirements and your test cases. Simple, right? It's basically a document, mostly an Excel sheet, that helps you track and link all your project's requirements to their corresponding test cases. Why do we even need this? Good question. Think about it. When you're testing, how do you ensure that every single thing the client asked for, every single feature, every single requirement, is actually being tested? Or if you find a bug, how do you quickly figure out which requirement it's linked to? This is where the traceability matrix comes in handy. It's like a checklist, a detailed one. On one side, you'll have your requirement ID and their descriptions. Like, users should be able to log in with valid credentials. And then, on the other side, you'll have your test case ID that are designed to test that specific requirement. As you can see in this table, we have RQ001, which is the user account creation process. This requirement is in the implemented stage for design and under review for development. And for testing, it's ready to test and it's mapped to a specific test ID, REG01. Similarly, for RQ002, which is searching and sorting of products, you can see its development is in progress and it's mapped to test ID TCPROD05. This way, you can easily track the status of each requirement across different phases and see exactly which test cases are responsible for verifying it. There are a few types of traceability, You have forward traceability, which means you're checking if all your requirements are being built and being tested. Then you have backward traceability, which is the opposite. It ensures that whatever you're testing, whatever you're building, is actually linked back to a genuine requirement. We don't want any extra unwanted features, right? And when you combine both, it's called bidirectional traceability, which is the most comprehensive. So, why is this important for you as a tester? First, complete test coverage. You can easily see if any requirement is left untested. No more surprises. Second, impact analysis. If a requirement changes, you can instantly see which test cases are affected. That saves a lot of time and effort in retesting. Third, better defect management. When you find a bug, you know exactly which requirement it broke. This helps developers understand the context faster. And finally, it just brings a lot of clarity and visibility to the entire project. Everyone knows what's being tested, what's left, and what's connected to what. It's a sign of a very organized and mature QA process. So, next time you hear traceability matrix, don't get scared. Just think of it as your best friend for ensuring quality and making sure everything aligns perfectly. Alright, that's it for today on the traceability matrix. If you have any questions or if you use it differently in your projects, do let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your QA buddies, and subscribe to the channel for more such insights. Happy testing, everyone. Bye bye.